Mm. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone away, but I got a lot to share. I mean, I have a valid excuse. So what's been going on with y'all? Y'all been okay? Y'all miss me? I know it, y'all. It's been a minute. It's been like 3 weeks or something like that. We are going to use 2 primers. I'm going to be using my NYX Pore Filler and my Maybelline Prime by Face Studio. That's like a little tint to it. Master Prime Maybelline Face... I can't even talk. Maybe I've got a little tipsy. This is the Blur and Smooth, the 100. But I love them both together. That Maybelline is like really dope. It keeps my makeup blurred and it does smooth out the pores that I do have, because I have some real big ones, y'all. And the only thing I don't like about this Pore Filler by NYX is when it shoot out, girl. She's a hot mess. Alright. It just shoots out very dry and it shoot everywhere, girl. I don't like that. I don't like things shooting on my face like that. I started a new position at my job and I'm really loving it. I am. I had the position before, but it just didn't work out. But now, you know, when God has something planned for you, it's for you. So you take it and you grab it and you hold on to it. I don't know. This time it's going to be a whole lot better for me. And I feel like this year is my year for success. If God puts something for you, it's for you, you know, and He's not going to fail you. Girl, the edges just lifted up. Dang. The Maybelline does have like a little white cast to it, but once you put your foundation and everything on, y'all, it's great. New palette. I got this from Walmart. This is by Profusion. Y'all look at all these damn eyeshadows in there. Girl, I mean, really, you get 35 shades. It doesn't say anything about any pressed pigments inside of this palette. Blush ingredient. I have a blush inside this palette. I don't know which one is supposed to be a blush because it does not specify. All the ingredients on the eyeshadows is in the back of the palette. I like to share that with you guys because a lot of people do not use certain ingredients if it has, or they may be allergic to it. Alright, 35 shades. Looks like to me you get a lot of variety of everything. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Sephora Pro palettes, but they give you a variety of shades, a lot of colors, a lot of neutrals, cools, and warm tones. And this is exactly what it looks like. I got a lot of cool tones here, I got some warm tones, a lot of neutrals over here. I'm pretty good with the palette. Maybe pick it up. $12 at Walmart. If your Walmart do carry Profusion, y'all holler down below. Yay, Profusion. I did tell you in my recent video that when I was using the Revlon that does have the powder on the end, a spoolie, and eyebrow pencil for a definer. Y'all, I did not like the eyebrow pencil, so I went to Walmart and actually purchased the single eyebrow definer. This is called Brow Stylist Definer. I got it in the shade Dark Brunette and I love it. It reminds me of the ColourPop. So I like a stiff spoolie, and the actual tip of the brow pencil is like bomb. Look how skinny that is. I'll just show you a little bit of what I'm doing to my brows, but I'll be speeding through it. Alright, so let me get quiet for a little bit. They don't look like sisters, believe me. I know, I could tell. They look like more of first cousins, but yeah. Loreal Infallible Pro Glow. My NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is a little matte and this is a lot dewy, so the perfect balance for my combination skin. It's that time of the year for me to bring these products back out and share them with you. And this is in the shade Classic Tan 210, and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop is in Alyssa's Ashley shade to be exact, in Warm Honey. NYX A Bit Jelly Gel Illuminator in the shade Bronze with my foundation. So I'm just going to take some of this and apply with my foundation brush as well. Put it here on the high point. I know I'm probably going to say anyway about 550 times 55,000. 555,000 times a day. I don't know, I need like a scheduled day to where I can film and just get some rest during those days that I'm not filming. Or just edit whatever I do have filmed already. Some of people is like really bored and they just want to watch a video. A lot of people has been complaining about YouTube not showing their content to their subscribers. But if you're not hitting that notification bell beside that subscribe button, I mean, YouTube is just going to give you what they want to give you. I'm going to say this 50 times in this video. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know I work at a poultry plant. Pretty much sure that a lot of you guys can relate when it comes to having new positions at your job. Dealing with a lot of paperwork, making sure the product is cold because you cannot sell hot meats. That's one thing that you do not want to do. If you go to a food market or some kind of grocery store that have meat just like sitting out, if it does not feel cool to touch, do not buy it. Go the other way, wipe your hands off. I'm gonna jump all over the place, but I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with the NYX HD eyeshadow base. It's very inexpensive and it's good as hell. Make those eyeshadows stay all day long. They're gonna freaking train first for a transition, so it'll be this orangey looking shade right here, and it's called Beat. And that's what we're trying to do today, girl. Let's get beat. I'm going with the Morphe M535 brush. It's just that we have to make sure that that shit is right, because ain't no way you're going to just sit and let it go out to anybody. Customers start complaining and then here you go, some lawsuits. So I'm really learning a lot when it comes to food. So I'm thinking that with me having the experience that I'm going through now with quality control, that I can actually go back to school, you know, food defense. It's very, very important to know what we are digesting inside of our bodies. A lot of people say, how do you do your eyeshadows? It's all in the flick of the wrist. Right when you first started off trying to write in cursive, and they say stop moving your whole hand, just move your wrist. This is exactly how you buff it in. When you blend, you want to actually just use your wrist and your fingers. And it's going to hurt at first, because the more you blend, the more of the muscles is moving inside of your wrist and the bones is moving. And if you double joint, you hear pop, 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 pop. But that's when you know you're doing it right, girl. Just like a little paintbrush, you just want to use the wrist. I did pick up an Artisan Color Baked Blush, and it's in the shade Raspberry from Black Radiant. I didn't want to use that as a blush because, y'all, this shit is so pigmented, and look how dark it is. Oh my god, this thing is pretty. So I'm going to take that same brush, that 535 brush, I'm going to pat in there because, look, I'm going to buff that to the same area, except I'm going to go a little bit lower and on the outer corner of my eye, just to give a little bit of action into my crease. I do have like a little sensitivity. Gently use it. I'm going to pop just a little bit more into the crease area because I do want that raspberry to show, since we are doing like red. So what I'm going to do now is take this shade up here. It's called Totally, the M514 brush. A smaller brush by Morphe, a nice white synthetic brush. And I'm going to take a good amount of that and actually just lay this on the lid area. Now I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Gold. This is the liquid eyeshadow I was talking about. And this is in the shade Poppy. So, yeah. It's not swatching red, but it's very nice. And it doesn't look sheer at all. Hold my eye down, because we don't want any transfer up there in the crease. And I'm going to just actually just glaze that on the lid area. This is my first time using this, so this is actually going to be a first impression. You'll see a little sheerness right up in there. I don't know if it's because I've been blinking, but it kind of like burns a little bit my eyeball. I know I'm going to have to go in with another layer, so let's do that. Just pat it. Oh yeah, it's burning my eyeball. Oh shit. Like I said, my eyes are sensitive, y'all. They are so sensitive, and any little thing will make them tear up. Oh my god, and it's burning. What the hell? Just for shits and giggles, I'm going to put this shade right here on top of it. And this shade is called DJ. Let's see. Oh, girl. Woo. Iridescent. And let's see what we come up with. Oh, girl, yeah. It does dry down pretty good. Now that I have it sitting on my hand, I do get a little bit of shimmer on my finger. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. What I'm going to do now is just take some of that Totally, tap the excess off, and just blend that in a little bit more. I just think that we got like a little cut crease going on. Up. Okay, I finna say, girl, you better be dry. Alright, so let's pop the remaining on the edge so it can look like we blended, girl. I'm just gonna press that in. We are getting a lot of glitter transfer. She got glitter everywhere. Not cute. What I want to do is pop some of that, what's that, DJ on the brow bone, girl. Let's see how she performs by herself. Okay. I'm just going to take a dome brush. This is by Sigma, the E30. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. Can you see that on camera? A little fairy dusty though. If you're into like that mermaid stage color, yeah, she's a little fairy duster. Alright, how we think about that eye, y'all? Something like I already done before. It's just the way this here fall out. Oh girl, look at the glitter fall out. Oh my god, what am I gonna do with that? Concealer. And y'all, don't judge me about my sponge. I mean, really. Same brand, Maybelline. This is in the Fit Me concealer, and this is their Age Rewind. I've both tried these on my channel before. I really like them. This is in the shade Honey, and this is in the shade Golden. I want to use some of my e.l.f. I haven't used this in a while. This is the Cream Contour Palette. I want to use this shade right here. So I'm going to use that here on my jawline. And I want to dip into this Black Radiance palette. And I want to use this shade here and this shade here together. Haven't cream contour in a while. Just been wanting my natural tan to show, but I'm going to cream contour today. Side note, FYI, that Fit Me concealer, a lot of people say they don't like it because it feels drying to them. Now, if you have dry skin, you may not like it. Just put that out there. Yeah. I know I look crazy with just that one eye done. Y'all, I have not hit 1,000 subscribers yet. So you gotta know that I'm not like paying for subscribers, or if by any chance, you know, about the money or whatever, girl, I would have been making like videos every day, really just getting up here and showing you guys what I know and teaching you guys what I'm learning. I just want to make sure that you guys is wanting to watch it, because if you're not watching it, girl, I got a 8 to 5 already. Just tell me what you want to see, and honey, we can do that. It's the collab powder. It's not a first impressions, but it's new to my channel. Now, I used it a couple of days ago, and I really do not like it as much, but I said let me just go ahead and give it another try before you actually take it back, because I will take some shit back. Give it a shot. Let's see what we got. I've not been using my sponge lately. I've always been using my powder puff, so I'm going to use their small powder puff. And I'm going to see exactly how I feel about this powder, because first time I did use it, I used it with a beauty blender. Okay. Now, when I first used it, honey, my eyes watered up on me so freaking bad. Really, really bad. And I was like, okay, wait a minute. Does this powder got some fragrance in it? Because, girl, if it do, she going back to Sally's. This is in the shade Honey, by the way, if I did not tell you. I'm not tearing up at all. Okay, right now, I'm liking it because it looks very, very highlighted, but I will have to go in with my face powder. This is the Black Opal True Color Ultra Matte Foundation Powder, and this is in the shade Medium 400. I'm going to take my E58 from Morphe and just lightly dust that over the reverse contour. I am going to go in with my Milani in the shade Medium. This is my tried and true, the Concealer Perfect. I've showed this on my channel so many times. I know you guys is like wondering why do I keep going back to that. Girl, it is bomb. I mean, if you cannot afford a Sephora Micro Smooth, this is the next thing beside it. This is my second one. This, well, actually like in a 9-month span. I love this powder. It gives out the perfect yellow warm tint, and it sets really, really good. I mean, like bomb. Alright, so my face look good. So let me go ahead and do a quick liner. I don't know what I was fitting to pull, because girl, I do not do that. I'm hooded eye. Ain't no way I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner, and I know I'm hooded as hell. So I don't know what I was doing pulling that. Girl, bye. You can pretty much see like if you missing something. Like if you see here, okay, I'm missing like a little bit right here. It's fine because you hooded eye. Look, you not gonna be able to tell unless you like this close. I see that line crooked on you, girl. Ooh, that line so crooked. Girl, bad girl. All in my space. Jeez. Shouldn't nobody be way up there in your face anyway, unless y'all lovers. That's the only person that need to be in your face. Alright, so if you got long lashes like me and you get like little specks right there, just wait till it completely dry. And then you can take your brush and kind of like brush it off. Sometimes it comes straight off. Sometimes if you got a little bit too much up there, girl, just take some of that eyeshadow and do your thing. All right, an hour later, we finally got what we need on our face, which is our liner and our lashes. And these are the velour lashes. I got these from Ulta Beauty. I think I paid like $20-something for them, but they are really nice. I like them. These are the Luxe Fox Mink lashes in the style Flawless. They do have a couple more styles, but this is the most dramatic ones that I've seen that I really like for my eye shape. We go ahead and set using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray real quick. And I put just a little bit of foundation on my lips so everything can look well blended. Basically why people do that. Let's go ahead and put some warmth on the skin, girl, because I'm looking like a ghost. I am going to be using my NYX Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Tan, y'all. This is an oldie but goodie. Tucked away in my collection over there, honey. It's time to bring her out. This is my E4 brush. Take my brush and just pat it right below my cheekbone area. Girl, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, she is so pretty. And if you feel like you came up a little bit higher than what you expected, just take that powder brush and just sweep. Now what I like to do is take the powder brush too and just make sure there's no harsh lines between the bronzer and your highlight area. You get what I'm saying? Because we don't do harsh lines on this channel, girl. No ma'am. Oh, and I did put my little scarf up there because, girl, that edge she didn't want to do right. Not at all. Now that I look very sculpted, that's why I don't think I want to do blush today. I'm going to be using my Morphe, the 438 brush. This is the Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. Love it. Y'all, check this out. Boop. One dot. Alright. Tap it off. And bam. Oh, look at her. She's so gorgeous. Little fluffy synthetic angle brush that I got from Amazon. So I'm going to take that NYX bronzer. I'm just going to tap it in just a little bit. Take that excess off. The first part of my eyebrow and the inner part. And just take the contour. Right there. Get my little line there. Use my little button. My little line. Just taking that same E4 brush and putting some bronzer around the perimeter of my face. And then I'm taking whatever I got left on my brush and blending that highlight so it looks seamlessly blended. Now if you really want to look snatched and chiseled, take a smaller tapered brush, Morphe M530 brush. Tap into that contour, get a little bit on the brush, take it right in the hollow points of your cheeks. That's if you're really trying to look chiseled and just not bronze. You really want to look contoured. This is the trick, girl. I'm just moving it in circular motion. I'm not going way down here. Don't go way down there. You really just want to stay right in the hollow points of your cheeks. Ooh, she's creamy. And on top, just to give it a little bit of gloss. I mean, I know this look good and looks really creamy on the lips, but I do want to use this. I think these are so nice. I love these on my lips. They are so comfortable. This is the Butter Gloss by NYX. This is in the shade, where's the shade? Vanilla Cream Pie. Y'all, I got about 3 of these. Or you can put them in your pocket. I mean, they're so tiny. So, we're just going to dab a little on the bottom. Go ahead and put some eyeshadow on the bottom lashes. I'm going to apply totally as close as I can to my waterline. And then I'm going to blend it out with the shade Beats. I think what I'm going to do is probably use a lot more lip gloss than I am lipstick. It's just so much better on your lips. I mean, it feels so more hydrating than a regular lipstick. And I know there's some lipsticks out there that does feel really creamy and really hydrating and last all day. Y'all see how crusty my lips look. I need lip glosses, honey. So comment down below if y'all got a specific brand of lip glosses that you like to use during the summertime and the heat that keeps your lips moisturized all day. And y'all, I would try it because I really need that in my life. And that's all I'm going to put down there, y'all. I'm not going to do any eyeliner or anything. I'm just going to add some mascara. And the mascara I'm using is by Essence. And I actually got this from Ulta. So you guys can actually look in the description box and get the website and order it. But let's spray one more time because I did spray one time, so I need to spray again. Actually, this is kind of cute with my little clips up there in my hair like this. But unfortunately, we can't. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. I really do appreciate it. But I do think that I'm going to get back into my wigs. So let me know down below if you want to see some wig tutorials and how I actually just did these edges because, girl, she ain't have none. I hope you like this look. Comment down below how you feel about it. And thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Make sure you hit that notification bell right beside it, because YouTube do be tripping. They don't be showing y'all our stuff. So in case if you want to really see me, make sure you hit that notification bell. And thank you for joining. If you just joining today, have a good weekend. Bye.